Hi guys, my name's Melissa and you're watching Makeover with Mel. I want to say thank you for clicking on this video. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this video, I am doing a subscription box. It is Fashom. I believe it's my third or fourth box, I think. I'll link, if I have the link, I'll link one of my other ones down below so you can watch it too if you're interested. In this one, they did good, but some of it didn't fit, and some of it I just didn't like the material. With Fashom, it's $15 a month, and they subtract it from your checking account before they send you the box. And whatever you keep, they deduct that $15 from it. If you buy 3 or more products, you get 25% off. It comes with a trusty little bag that you can send everything back in. And it comes with a little card, and the card has a little note to you. And Moe's is who fixed up my fix for me. Yeah, I'm just clueless today. My mind is just gone with old age. Okay. In this one, I received 5 pieces, and we'll go over each one. And the first thing is this shirt. I love the color. The color is amazing. This is one of the colors that's really going to be in for this spring and summer. It's like a dusty mauve. It says Emerald 3D Floral Lace Raglan Tunic Top in a 3X, and it's mauve. And it's by Emerald. And it's got a Fashom tag on it. But it's super cute. It has lace on the shoulders, all down the sleeves. It's long sleeve. And it also has lace in the back. So unless you want your bra to show, you'd have to wear a strapless bra. And I'm not too, I don't know, I'm not much on strapless bras. I guess I just haven't found one that fits right for me. I guess if I did, I'd be wearing them all the time because I have a lot of shirts that doesn't need to show my bra. But yeah, I don't like how the kind of material it is. It clings to your back side, so it really shows that fat row back there, and I'm not about that at all. Some people don't mind to show that back row, but I'm not one of them. But I love the length of it. The length's perfect. But this one, if you kept it, it is $36, which isn't bad because it is really good quality. Really good quality. Okay, the next thing is the jeans that I tried on. They are in 18W, and they are D jeans. And it says beauty has no size, D jeans, New York. And I think they're supposed to be skinny jeans. I do like the pockets in the back and how it's faded on the honey area. I do like that. And it's also faded down the legs in the front. I like that. But they are, it says they're modern fit, super soft ankle plus. Okay. They were too short. Way too short. Well, for my liking, they were too short. They wasn't tight enough on my legs for my liking. But they were too tight in the waist. They fit, but they were snug in the waist and too loose everywhere else. So for that reason, I'm not keeping them. But they are soft, and they have a lot of stretch to them, except for in the waist. The waist, there just wasn't hardly any stretch. Now those, if I keep them, they are called denim ankle jeans, 18W in a dark wash. They are $50. So, which ain't bad for a good quality pair of jeans. Okay, this next top, I absolutely loved, but there's always got to be a but. It's too small. And if you did wear it, you would have to wear a cami under it, a tank, or something like that because it's completely see-through. You could see my bra through it and my skin through it. But it was too tight in the bust area. But I love the way that it fit other than that. The way it hung on me, I absolutely loved. It's long sleeve and it has the buttons. It has buttons that are real all the way down. And it has this ruffle. It's adorable. This would be so cute for this spring and this summer to put with a pair of white capris or white dress pants or even brown or beigey color. It's gorgeous. It is Seen in Be Seen. See and Be Seen. It's in a 3X, but it was too small in the boobs. I just got a message come across my phone. Anyway, it was too small in the boobs. Okay, and it says See and Be Seen floral shirt in a 3X. It's cream, and it's only $30. So I wished it would have fit because I would have kept it if it had a fitting. Okay, second to the last thing is this dress. I love the material of it. It's not what you say soft, but it is soft. I don't know how to explain it. It's by Gilly. It's in a 2X, and it fit really good. It has short sleeve. It's like a faux wrap, so you can show cleavage, or you can be more. What's that word? I know y'all screaming it at me. Anyway, you can show not as much cleavage. But yeah, and then it has this little tie on the side that does untie, and it comes above the knee. So it flows good, but it's that material that clings to you. And I'm just not a big fan of that. I'm just not a big fan of it. And then the pattern, I love florals. Don't get me wrong, I absolutely love florals. But this one is just too much for me. Too much floral for me. But it did fit good. So, if I was to keep this one, it's Gilly V-neck navy floral dress in a 2X navy floral, and it's $44. So, it's well worth the $44, but just not for me. Now, this last one, I want to keep it so bad, but I just don't need another one. But it's this flowy, what do you call it? Cloud Walk by MTS. It's in a 2X. It says Cloud Walk Bamboo V-neck front pocketed round hem dress in a dusty blue. And it's $42. Oh, and I love it. I wish, though, it would have been in a 1X. I don't know why, because it fits. I mean, and it's so flowy. I love stuff like this when I'm doing housework and I get real hot and sweaty. I like stuff like this because it's airy and you look cute in case somebody wants to stop by and visit while you're cleaning. But I absolutely love this. It's amazing. And I want to keep it so bad. It's so soft. I absolutely love it. But I just don't need it. But I want it. You guys leave me a comment below how you think it looks on me. And that may be the deciding factor of whether I do keep it or whether I don't. And what did I say it was? It's $42. I just got one that's almost like this from Romans. The material is different because the other one, the one from Romans, is more of a thicker, heavier material. But this is, oh, I just love it. I love the color. I love the V-neck. I love it because it's got long sleeves. It's cute. It'd be cute just to wear around the house and be comfortable and be cute all at the same time. But it'd be cute to wear out and put a little jean vest on with it and some flats. Or you could wear it with some booties and a jean jacket and some tights. Oh, there's so many different things you can do with it. Do I need it? Do I need it? You guys tell me in the comments below. Should I keep it or should I not? I don't know. But that's all I got in this Fashom box. if I kept everything, it comes to $202, but you get 25% discount, so that adjusts $50.50 off. So that makes it $151.50, plus they minus the $15. So it's $144.50. So it's not bad for 5 items, and they're excellent, excellent quality, but not all 5 items worked for me. So I will probably try Fashom again. They're getting closer and closer to more my style, especially with the dresses. But you guys leave me a comment below of what you think, whether I should keep it or not, because this is the only one that I'm seriously thinking about keeping, although I know I don't need it. And my husband's going to tell me I don't need it. But yeah, my heart says it wants it. So you guys tell me below in the comments what you think. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the notification bell. Give me a thumbs up. And share this video. My goal for 2019 is to get as many subscribers as I possibly can. So hopefully you will help me out. And until the next video, I love you bunches. Bye.